Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off screen locking sounds on your Android device. So whether you have a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel phone perhaps, in today's tutorial I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and then you want to select the setting and gear button. And now you want to go underneath where it says sound and vibration and select that. And now scroll down where it says screen locking sound. If you want to enable the screen locking sound, you want this oval toggle to the right, and it should be blue. If it's turned to the left side and it's grayed out, it means it is turned off and it will not make a screen locking sound. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.